Source. The one in this case, it will be available in Germany, if I can get it out of here.
I'll take it out.
You take it out. It's being deployed by Deutsche Telekom. So in case we're all feeling left out, this device, here, let me get over here and get a new camera. I don't know if you can catch that. This device will be deployed in the United States. Let you know, the good old US of A. And let me see, here's some facts on it. It's a Java Linux-based machine.
So your Linux box is this sharp source.
Yeah.
Runs Linux, runs Java.
Yeah, it's actually running a bigger version of Java than in the phone. It's running personal Java. And it will ship in the fall for about $500.
Please look at smooth and sophisticated graphics. And this content is utilizing 3D polygon engine. 3D polygon engine enables the character to rotate or other movements.
Thank you for the nice demonstration.
Now, if you're interested in Java,
I actually took the user ID, login, and password and logged into the service. And the server actually started a session either using servlet or the container.
Okay, so you had to log in, so you're at least secure. If somebody finds my phone, they can't start ordering movie tickets.
That's right.
That's good. Okay, so wait a minute, what's this? There's a scrolling text across the top. It's talking about free magazines. A free magazine, if you see that out there? Well, the scrolling text says, if you buy 5 more movie tickets, you can get a free movie magazine. So okay, so is this service about movie magazine publishing too?
Actually, it's not Smart Ticket that is promoting a free magazine. In fact, what we're doing here is Smart Ticket is providing a service to interact with a third-party enterprise to actually aggregate content, making use of transaction history and also some personalization, and present this onto the device.
I see. So you can use all the B2B functionality of J2EE and the forthcoming XML APIs in order to aggregate services, including the malware.
Okay, so we're in the next screen where we're presented with a list of movies. So at the beginning, when we logged into the service, we actually provided the zip code, and when we picked the date, the server actually came back with narrowed down information so that it's presenting relevant information here.
I see. So you're only bringing back the movies that are nearby me according to my zip code.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to click and select Castaway. And what we're showing in the beginning, when we showed the preferences screen, we were actually picking the video option. So we're actually seeing a live video connected wirelessly, showing a preview of this movie, of Castaway.
Okay, that's pretty cool. So how does that play?
Well, in fact, what we're using here is because this is running a packet data service, and there's quite a bit of bandwidth that's available to us. So we're using this option as opposed to the poster option.
Okay, so who wrote this video player?
It's actually a very small repeat player, which is about a couple of K, by how the network that we saw this morning.
So it's just part of the application, a little piece of the application.
Exactly. Okay. So we're now on to the next screen. Presented with a list of theaters.
All right.
Okay, so let's pick AMC Mercado 20. So now it's actually going back to the server and coming back with the time. So it actually shows 1:30. So 1:30. I think that's actually too late. Okay, so let's go back.
Okay.
We're back to the screen.
Oh, okay. So you zapped right back to the previous screen. You didn't go connect with the server or anything.
No, actually, it came back pretty quick because when we designed this application, we figured that in the past 10 seconds that we were having this conversation, the list of movies or list of locations actually didn't change, which is where we're actually selecting. So we're using the cursor on the phone to actually scroll through the various different seats that are available to us. Now, you don't see this usually in the US, but in other parts of the world, such as Asia and Europe, this is actually very, very common.
Okay, and so once again, you're disconnected here. There's no way you can be pushing markup language up to the phone and give such a perky display.
That's right. In fact, you see this blinking cursor that while I was moving around, we're able to select a couple of seats here. So I'm going to select a couple of seats in the middle.
Okay.
And we're actually, when we select that, it's actually doing this right locally on the device and not having to go to the service or to the network and get a movement map over. Okay, so the number of seats on the total charge, all we have to do is put in the last 4 digits of our credit card and validate that purchase.
Okay. Let's buy it. Okay, so you only put in the last 4 digits of the credit card. So again, this is a security issue. I'm not sending my whole credit card number over the wireless link at a given time. I'm just, the other 12 digits are however.
Such as using a stylus, so that instead of using the cursor, I can use a pointer and go ahead and select all the seats up.
All right, okay, so the client doesn't know anything about running on a handspring versus a Motorola cell phone. So what about the server? Does the server know to talk does the server know it's talking to this particular cell phone or device?
No, actually, the protocol that we use between the client and server is an open protocol, which is HTTP.
And what about on the server?